Does your footage ever look overexposed like this? Well, if you own a camera that features zebra patterns, this video may be your answer. Before we get started, this is a new channel and I'll be posting videos every week. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on the latest videos. In this video, you'll learn to use zebra patterns to fix overexposure. What are zebras? Zebras, also known as zebra pattern, is a stripe pattern that is overlaid onto the overexposed areas of the image. The stripe pattern isn't recorded on the final image and only shows on the EVF or display screen. I'm demoing this on a Panasonic Lumix G7. Now, if you have a different camera, you should check your owner's manual to find the corresponding page for the zebra option. So on the Panasonic Lumix, it's located in the custom menu. In this particular camera, it's on page 5 of 9. On this camera, Zebra 1 is set to 80%, meaning it's 20% away from overexposure, and Zebra 2 is set at 100%, meaning the stripe patterns will appear when the image is completely overexposed. I like to have mine set on Zebra 2, that's just a personal preference. In the beginning, I showed some footage that was overexposed. Now with zebras enabled, I'm going to reshoot the same scene and see if I can fix the overexposed areas. Now I'm going to modify the aperture to fix the overexposure. I'm just going to stop down here until the stripe patterns disappear. That's it for zebra patterns. I hope this video has been helpful to you. This is a new channel and I'm always looking for feedback to improve it. If you like this video or have ideas for new topics, let me know in the comment section below.